In this video, I'll show you how to clean the print heads of your Canon PIXMA G3270 in case you're having some strikes appearing on your paper, some white lines. It simply means that your print heads are getting clogged. Usually if you do not print during 2 weeks, 3 weeks, this will happen. And if you wait too much, unfortunately, even what I will show you next will not help you. You'll need to clean them manually. And there's many videos on YouTube showing you how to do this. I do not know how to do it, so I won't try to show you that way of cleaning your print heads. What I'll show you now is how to clean them using the menu of your Canon printer. You don't need to open anything. So on the display of your Canon printer, you're gonna go in maintenance. If you don't see this, simply press the home button, go down and select maintenance. Press OK. Then over here we have a few options. We have cleaning and we have deep cleaning. If you see some lines, I suggest you do a deep cleaning. It's the same thing as a cleaning, it's just better. One thing that you need to know is that once you do a cleaning like this, some ink will be wasted, but I think you don't have a choice at the end of the day if you have some lines. So once you click deep cleaning here, it will even tell you requires a lot of ink to continue. You just have to press OK and let the printer do its thing. It will take a few minutes to do this, and hopefully after this is finished, try printing again and the lines will disappear. So this is how you do a print head cleaning directly on the Canon G3270. I hope this was useful. If so, please leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.